So in this video, we are discussing the explanation of the solution of the graded assignment of Mathematics Week 2. The first question says, incident ray and reflected ray, and it gives us some angle. So the incident ray is passing through point 2, 3, and then the ray at point M is reflected, and the reflected ray passes through the point 5, 2. The coordinates of point M are given to us as x, 0. So in this question, we have to give the equation of the incident ray and the reflected ray. Also, we are given that the incident ray makes an angle of alpha with the horizontal, and the reflected ray also makes an angle of alpha with the horizontal. So we have to predict the equation of incident and reflected ray. From the figure, it is evident that the incident ray and the reflected ray make equal angle alpha, which we saw in the figure. Now, the slope of line AM is negative of the slope of line BM. What was AM? The incident ray, and what was BM? The reflected ray. Okay, so we can write the slope of line AM as 3 minus 0.2 minus x, and slope of line BM as 2 minus 0 upon 0 minus x. So 3 minus 0.2 minus x equals to negative of 2 minus 0.5 minus x. If we will solve this thing, we will get x equals to 19 by 5. Now we know that the coordinates of point M were x, 0, and x is equal to 19 by 5. Therefore, the coordinate of point M are 19 by 5, 0. Now we have to give the equation of incident ray. Now the equation of incident ray, we have to calculate it. So y minus 0 equals to 3 minus 0 into x minus 19 by 9 upon 2 minus 19 by 9. So we get, if we will solve this equation, right, we will get the equation of incident ray as minus 5x minus 3y plus 19 equal to 0. You can take screenshot of the video to understand it more deeply, because it is not really possible to get the video in a single go if you have not gone through the content before. Now we have to predict the equation of reflected ray. So one part of the question we have solved earlier, which was about the incident ray, and its equation we have calculated. Now we have to predict the equation of reflected ray. Now the equation of reflected ray in the similar manner is given as y minus 0 equals to 2 minus 0 upon 5 minus 19 by 5 into x minus 19 by 5. If we will solve this, we will get 5x minus 3y minus 19 equal to 0. So this is the equation of reflected ray. So this was the first question. I hope it was easier to understand. If not, then you can watch this part again and try to go through the concepts, because it was an easy question. Now the second question. The second question gives us a triangle ABC. In this PDF, you can see a triangle ABC, okay? And you are given the coordinates of the 3 points of the triangle, that is point A, B, and C. The coordinates of point A are given as minus 3, 3, and the coordinates of point B are given as 1, 7, and C is given as 2, minus 2. Further, we are given 3 points M, N, and O. And we are given the ratio in which these 3 points divide the line AB, AC, and BC. Fine. So the line AB is divided by point M in the ratio 1, 3. Line AC is divided by the point N in the ratio 2, 3. And the point O divides the line BC equally. That is, point O is at the midpoint of the line BC. So it divides the line in the ratio 1:1. Now we have to predict what is the area of the triangle MNO. Using the section formula for internal division, the coordinates of point M are, you know the formula for section division, you need to see it, and using it we can calculate the coordinates of point M as 1 minus 9 by 4, 7 plus 9 by 4, which is equal to minus 2 by 4. Further, in a similar way, we can calculate the coordinates of point N and point O. After we have calculated the coordinates of point M and O using the section formula for internal division, then we have to calculate the area of the triangle MNO. So here you are going to write the area formula and put in the values. Area formula for triangle and put in the values, and we will get the value and you will get the value 4.5 square unit. This was the second question. Now we will go to the third question. The third question, it says Ramesh works in an MNC limited company as a sales manager. He receives a monthly base salary and a 500 commission for each unit he sells. We are given that Ramesh works in a MNC limited company as a sales manager and he receives a monthly base salary and a commission of 500 rupees for each unit he sells. At the end of the month, he figures out that he sold 100 units and received 80,000 at the end of the month. Then we have to predict what was Ramesh's monthly base salary. Okay. So to solve this question, let the base salary of Ramesh be C. Let Y represent the total salary and X represent the number of units he sold. So equation representing the salary is given by Y equals to 500x plus C, where 500 was the commission as described by me earlier in the question. According to the question, Y equals to 80,000 and X equals to 100. So 80,000 equals to 500 into 100 plus C. C equals to 30,000. So in this manner, the base monthly salary of Ramesh is equal to 30,000. Now, the further questions we will discuss in the second part of the video, and there will be 3 parts of the video to give you a further depth. And if you want the formula sheet also for the qualified exam, then you can comment down in the comments below, and we will reach out to you all as soon as possible. Thank you.